what's up? Welcome back to another video. Today is November 11th and it's 7:39 in the morning. We're on our way to drop off Grecia right now at school. So I haven't vlogged this early in the morning in a really long time. Like, we're obviously awake, but I don't like bust out the camera and stuff. I have a pretty busy day today. I have a makeup appointment right now at 8. Tomorrow is going to be even busier, but so it's gonna be like crazy, hectic, amazing, beautiful day tomorrow. Huh?
It's gonna be cold.
Yeah, and it's gonna get like super cold, like not for us, not comfortable for us here in South Texas. But I have 9 appointments tomorrow for makeup starting at 10 a.m. and then Bert has a wedding and I'm doing a bunch of like the people that are going to the wedding, I'm doing their makeup. Plus I have 4 queens going to the studio in between the wedding party so that I can do them for a photo shoot, because Wendy's also going to be taking pictures while I'm doing makeup. So we're about to drop off Grecia. She's ready for school. We're turning the corner. I need to answer this lady back, so we'll see you guys once we're dropping her off.
They don't have cool stuff like when we were little kids. They had cool stuff for the book fair.
I know.
What did they have?
They had slime and stuff. They had like science projects and stuff.
I'll never forget that at the book fair I bought those tornado bottles.
Oh yeah.
That you put we could probably make her one.
I always wanted one of those.
We should make her one.
They would sell the little.
I'm pretty sure you could buy it on Amazon.
The little center thing.
I'm gonna look for it. And then you get the two botellas and you stick it together, and I put glitter in mine.
The
like
3-liter ones.
We're gonna do that, mommy.
You can put, what was it, salt? So you can see it.
Salt?
Yeah. Put
Guess
salt
what?
So you can see it.
We have a little bit of cool stuff because when I was getting my popsicles like that, I went to the library, so I was waiting for her outside. And then she came back and she got a razor, a whistle, and a pencil.
Give us besitos.
Love you.
Love you so much, mi amor.
Love you, mommy.
Have a good day, mama. Love you.
Careful.
We've made it. I'll have 2 the same as yesterday. Don't forget my lemon. And a drink, please. A fountain drink. Or a drink from there. A drink from her.
Like a cold?
Yeah, but with ice, with a cup of ice.
Oh.
Thanks. All right. Oh, let me show you guys. This is Grecia's blanket. I need to take it down. Ahorita when Bert gets back. I received my stickers. Where are they? Oh, well, this is what it looks like. I received a pack of stickers that I ordered. Look at how cute. Makeup by that girl, Lindsay. And then I bought this. So this is my chair where you sit if you come get services with me. And then I got this embroidered. So it says Makeup by that girl, Lindsay. And then these 4 bags right here are goodie bags. I always give my clients a goodie bag after I've done your makeup and stuff. This is for the queens, so I made it a little bit cuter. I added more like girlier stuff to their bag just because they're like preteen girls. And then they also have my logo on them. So this is for the queens tomorrow. But if you're a regular client, then you get one of these. So it has a powder puff. This little purple jar has translucent powder, a Mento, Jolly Rancher Band-Aids, eye masks for the morning after, a spoolie, a lip product, and my business card. So each one, I need to count and make sure that I have enough for tomorrow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Perfect. I have the perfect. Oh, but actually, no, I have more than enough because 4 of these are for the little girls. Let me set you guys down. First, let me lower the air because we always raise it up. Let me turn this on to add some jams, and then I'm going to set you guys up so that I can like set everything up. Just finished, now it's time to clean up. Did your workout?
¿Qué onda? We're gonna start going or no?
Pues este que no quiere ir. You said you didn't want to start working out until after Thanksgiving.
He said that, and I told him, I'm like, no way. You want to work out so you can even.
During, that's what I told him. I was like, shouldn't it be the other way around? Did you make your own breakfast this morning?
Hell yeah. And yesterday my own dinner. Yeah,
you wanted chicken, right?
Dude,
Chicken
I
breast?
bought like 6-7 big packs of chicken and like 12 freaking turkeys. So I'm like, qué pendejo, I don't even have space in my freezer.
So, we just got here to Dr. Ike's because we have to buy wood for the doghouse, or to build a doghouse, because of the cold front that's coming tonight. Bert's gonna go price, or what are you doing? Pricing the wood?
I'm not pricing, I need to go look at what I need.
But yeah, but you're not gonna get it because his brother is gonna come with his truck, because we obviously cannot shove it like a piece of plywood in the back of our truck.
You can shove it in there.
Yeah, but no.
Pero ya sabes si lo puedo hacer.
And then I finished my makeup appointment right now. She looks so beautiful. Let me show you guys. I don't know if you guys can see it. Her before and after. Very satisfied client. Those are 2x4s? Is that it?
Yeah. Like one of those with a 4-inch.
How much are those?
I don't know. Pero no hay tamaño.
Oh. So we ended up leaving with a vanity sink for my mom's bathroom, because the one that we have right now is all broken, and I freaking hate having to like move it and stuff all the time. So I just told Bert might as well buy everything right now and then just go home and install it later. But he has a basketball game this afternoon. I know Grecia wanted to go to my brother's house after school, so if she does go over there, then I could probably go with him to the basketball game, because he's gonna start live streaming those also like he would for the football ones. It's barely 10:30 and that's everything we've done so far. So yeah, I'm waiting on the USPS man, the postman, to come drop off a package for me of lipsticks that I ordered, because I'm going to depot a lot of them, and I will do that with you guys. So I will see you guys once we get back to the studio or once we get to the house. I have no idea. We'll see, but the guys are over there.
So as you guys didn't know, right now we're taking out the puppies, and guess what? So like right now you're gonna see them all covering with their mom, okay, in their kennel. Puppies, they look so cute. Say hi. Say hi. Okay guys. Mom, I already started the video.
What'd you say?
We were taking out the puppies, and I just showed them right now. And okay, so I forgot to show you something. I spelled puppies by myself. I'm gonna spell it for you guys. I'm taking them out. You can watch them.
I should pick up the switches. We'll give you 30.
Alright guys, so we got home from Laredo hours ago, and I forgot that I was vlogging, and then Bert got home from the basketball game, and I was outside trying to move the puppies indoors because I told y'all earlier that it was gonna get like freezing cold tonight. Tita, our dog just had puppies like a week ago, and she had 5 puppies, 3 girls, 2 boys, and we brought them inside. Bert was gonna try to build them a house, but it's gonna take too long, and we have to be up pretty early tomorrow because we both have a long day. He has a wedding that he has to start recording at 9 a.m. and then I have a wedding party and 4 queens, and I'm also starting at 10 a.m. but I want to be at the studio by 9. So I'm gonna go ahead and end out this vlog because we're not gonna do anything else. We're gonna go to the store, I'm gonna get a Powerade. Bert's gonna go get his stuff from the studio. I'm getting a pimple right here. My eyes look freaking green. But the puppies are crying. Little babies. So thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.